Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, remove the 4 screws on the top and bottom of the base cover. Loosen the 4 screws on the sides of the base cover and pry the cover up and away from the system. Find the battery cable and remove the piece of tape to unplug it. Identify and unlatch the memory module. Grasp the module by the edges to remove it from the system. To reinstall the memory module, place it back in the system and relatch it. Plug in the battery cable and tape it down. Tighten the 4 screws on the sides of the base cover and install the 4 screws on the top and bottom to secure the cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.